In today's video, we're going to explore the advanced controls available for our form building needs. These controls can be found at the bottom of our control list, offering powerful functionalities to enhance our form's interactivity and appearance. As we take a look at the advanced controls, we have the survey, grid control, cascading list, region, and section. In this video, we'll be focusing on the survey, grid control, region, and section, saving the cascading list control for a separate video. Let's start with the survey control. When we drag the survey control onto the canvas and add a question, we can use the Configure Survey button to set up the answer options. The label will display the answer, the response style will determine the appearance of the answer button, and we can enable explanation aloud to let users enter additional text along with their chosen answer. Let's take a preview of how this looks in action. Next up, the grid control. When we add the grid control to the canvas, we are prompted to modify grid settings. The first step involves creating a property array in the binding header. You can either choose from the existing list or create a custom one. Once we have the property array, we can begin adding columns to our grid. The grid control offers various column types such as text box, drop-down, user list, number box, and date pickers. For each column, we can specify a description, unique binding, read-only status, multi-line option for more text, and width settings. Now let's add a drop-down column and include items in the list. Once we're satisfied with the column settings, we can save our changes. Note: the Save button will not be enabled until the bindings are specified. Also notice that I have specified the width % to match the expected field input. Now, I will drag the columns to put them in the order I like. Let's preview and try this out. We can add or delete rows as needed. Moving on to the region control, it serves to highlight specific segments of the form. When we place the region control on the canvas, we can select a background color from the Style tab. You already have a blue background style, which we'll choose for the region. This will allow us to add controls within the region, and they will inherit the background color. For instance, we'll label the region as Weather and add a weather control inside it. Upon previewing, we'll notice the blue highlighted region containing our custom information. Let's preview. Notice how the background of the individual controls within the region control is same as the background of the region control. We can change this by selecting another background for the individual controls. Now let's explore the section control. This control is helpful for dividing the form into designated sectors. We'll add 2 sections to the canvas, naming them Section 1 and Section 2. We'll place the region control inside Section 1 and the grid control inside Section 2. The section control properties include an option to make the sections collapsible. We'll enable this for both sections, and for Section 2, we'll start it in a collapsed state. Additionally, we can copy and paste sections, including their respective controls, saving us time if we need similar sections with minor adjustments. In the preview window, we can see the weather information in Section 1, while Sections 2, 3, and 4 are collapsed. This feature makes it easy to navigate long forms on mobile devices, quickly finding the required sections. That concludes our exploration of the advanced controls. In the next video, we'll delve into the cascading list control. Thank you for watching, and we hope these advanced controls enhance your form building experience.